Hello children, how are you all doing?
Hello friends, how are you?
Children, today we will try to understand what the face value and place values are and do some examples to find them in a given number. We'll also have a practice session with Vishwa to solve some problems. Okay, let's get started. Hey buddy, can you tell me exactly what the face value and the place value mean? What is the difference between them?
Hey Dad, face value of a digit in a number is equal to the digit itself. It does not depend on the place or position of the digit. Place value of a digit depends on its position or place. We can calculate the place value by multiplying the digit with the unit of the position or the place.
Very good. Before we go in detail about the face value and place value, let's try to understand the digits and their places in a number. Okay? Each and every digit of a number sits in a specific position or place which has a name to it, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. And every position has some unit value. One's position has a unit value of 1, tens position has a unit value of 10, here it is 100, and here 1000. And if you see here, it is a tenfold increase in the unit value when we compare it with its value in the position right next to it. Here it is 1 for the units position. For tens, it is 10 times 1, which is 10. Here it is 10 times 10, 100, right? And here 10 times 100, which is 1000. This is a one digit number. 9 is in ones place, which has a unit value of 1. And how about this number? This is a two digit number. This is ones place and its unit value is 1. And 6 is in the tens place, which has the unit value of 10. Now let's look at a big number. This is a 4 digit number. Here the unit value is 1. Tens, the unit value is 10. And for 6, it is in hundreds place. The unit value is 100. And here it is 1000. Now let's try to understand the face value and place value. Just to give you an example, this boy's name is Vishwa. He was in the first grade last year. This year he is in the second grade, and next year he will be in the third grade. And his name Vishwa is his identity, which will not change from year to year. He will always be Vishwa, right? So the face value is also like an identity of a digit, which will not change based on its position in the number. The face value of a digit is equal to the value of the digit itself. Here, the face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 7, even though it is in tens place, it is still 7. And here also the face value of 6 is 6 itself. And how about this number? 5 is in the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. So in all these places, the face value of 5 is 5 only. Going back to our Vishwa's example, Vishwa was a first grade student last year. This year he is a second grade student, and next year he will be a third grade student. So he is the same Vishwa, but his grade is changing every year, right? Similarly, the place value of a digit changes based on its position in the number. In this two digit number, 5 is in the ones position. We know that the unit value of ones position is 1. We can calculate the place value by multiplying the digit with the unit value of its position. So the place value of 5 will be 5 times 1, which is 5. And for the tens position, we know that the unit value is 10. So the place value of 4 will be 4 times 10, which is 40. Let's look at this 4-digit number. The rightmost digit 2 is in the ones place. The face value of 2 will be 2, and since it is in the ones place, the unit value is 1. The place value of 2 will be 2 times 1, which is 2. Now the next digit is also 2, but it is in the tens place. Face value does not change with the position. We know that already, right? So the face value of 2 is 2 only, and the place value of 2 is 2 multiplied by the unit of tens place. So it will be 2 times 10, which is equal to 20. Moving on to the next digit, 0. Please remember that face and place values of 0 will always be 0 only. So this is 0. Now the last digit is 9. This is in the thousands place. As we know, the face value of 9 will be 9 itself, and the place value of 9 will be 9 times 1000, which is 9000. Since we know how to calculate the place value now, we can easily write any number in its expanded form. Here is an example. Let's start from the left and calculate the place values for each digit. The place value of 9 is 9 times 100, which is 900. The place value of 4 is 4 times 10, which is 40. And the place value of 6 is 6 times 1, which is 6. So the expanded form for this number is 900 plus 40 plus 6. You can read it as 946. Okay children, let's have a practice session with Vishwa now.
Practice time. Hello friends, let's try to solve few problems on face value and place value. First one is, what are the face values of 4 and 8 in the following 3-digit number? 498. Since we know that the face value of the digit is equal to the value of the digit itself, the face value of 4 will be 4, and the face value of 8 will be 8. Now let's go to the next one. Find the place values of 3 and 9 in the following 3-digit number. 938. First, we need to find the positions of 3 and 9 in the number. We can see that 3 is in the tens place and 9 is in the hundreds place. So, the place value of 3 would be 3 multiplied by 10, which is 30. And the place value of 9 would be 9 times 100, which 900. Let's go to the next one. List the face and place values of all the digits in the following 3-digit number. 609. We need to find the face value and place value for all the digits. Let us start from the left. Face value of digit 6 is 6 itself. Since it is in the hundreds place, place value of 6 would be 6 times 100, which is equal to 600. Face value and place value for 0 will be 0 only. Now let's look at the last digit 9. Face value of 9 is only 9. 9 is in the ones place. So the place value of 9 will be 9 times 1, which is again 9 only. Let's look at the last problem. Write the following number in its expanded form, 357. Friends, let us identify the positions of all the digits in the number. 7 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. So, the expanded form for this number would be 3 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 7 times 1, which would be 300 plus 50 plus 7. 357.
That was awesome. Thank you, Vishwa, for doing that practice session.
Thank you, Dad.
Okay, children, hope you practice more, and we will see you again in our next video. Take care.
Thank you, friends. We will see you again soon.